Welcome back to a brand new video of Homingbirds Properties. Today we are connecting with you from a beautiful project, Godrej Prakriti. This is already a ready project. The total land of this project is approximately 23 acres. This is the practice cricket pitch, and beside this there is the football ground of this project. In Godrej Prakriti, total 17 towers has been launched and it has been delivered and people are staying there. Newly 2 towers has been launched in this project, which are G+21 elevation of each, and here you are getting 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK flat options. In these new towers of Godrej Prakriti, 1 BHK flats are starting from approximately 27 lakhs, 2 BHK flats are starting from approximately 42 lakhs, and for 3 BHK it is starting from approximately 57 lakhs. And to get the best deal in this newly launched project, please take our number from the description box and call us to schedule your site visit at Godrej Prakriti. give you a tour of this 3 BHK model flat at Godrej Prakriti. The model flat size is approximately 1245 square feet, and here it is a 3 BHK with 2 toilets and 2 balconies are there. We are entering just, and now we are at the living dining area of this flat, where you can see the center table and the sofa unit are there, even the TV is there. And now I am going forward, and this is the dining area, and on my left hand side I can see a bedroom which has been decorated as a kids room. Now moving forward, and on my left hand side I can see the kitchen. Let me show you the kitchen. This is a granite top kitchen, and along with that there is a utility balcony also given, and it is a quite big size kitchen space provided here, where I think you can place a breakfast table also. Now I am going to the another bedroom, where I can see the bed, 2 wardrobes are there.
Is this
And
wardrobe space going to be given?
yeah, in the new newly launched towers, the wardrobe space will be given, and in this bedroom I can see a cross ventilation windows are given. Now we are going, I can see there is a wash basin unit very nicely placed, and on my right hand side it is the common washroom which will serve these 2 bedrooms. Now we are moving forward to the master bedroom of this 3 BHK model flat. You can see a very nice TV unit is here in the master bedroom, and the bed and the dressing unit with 2 side tables, and the wardrobe space is there as I told you earlier. And now the attached toilet with the master bedroom. This is the balcony with the living dining area. Let me show you the length of the balcony. Now we are at the balcony of the model flat, and on my right hand side you can see the newly launched towers, where you can see the piling work and the foundation work has been already done. And one thing I must tell you, that even on the first floor this model flat is very much airy, and there are much light inside the flat, because of the distance of the towers are much wider than the other projects. Now let me give you a short and quick tour of the project. This is Godrej Prakriti. Here you can see the master plan of the project. Let me show you. Here it is the grand entrance of Godrej Prakriti, which is on BT Road. Now after entering, this is the security check post of the project, and this is a G+3 storied hospital inside the project to solve all the medical purposes of the residents. After crossing the hospital, this is Prakriti Plaza, which is a commercial space that serves all the daily grocery requirements, and there is an ATM as well for the residents. This total project has been developed on 23 acres of land, and it has a huge open spaces inside this. 4 natural water bodies are there, and almost 1400 trees are inside the project. So after crossing Prakriti Plaza, you can see the community hall here. This is the community hall, and there is also some open spaces in front of that, and it is the very first water body of the project. And these are the towers, and this is the largest water body of the project. And beside this there is a temple which is almost 100 years old, and there is also a very nice lawn in front of the mandir. And this is the play area of the project, and where there is a practice pitch for cricket, and there is a football ground as well. And this is a water body which is very nicely decorated, and there is a fishing deck as well, and beside that there is a barbecue zone also, and it is near to this entrance. And there is a very nice statue of um, Rabindranath Tagore as well. And these are the towers. There is another water body, and this is the clubhouse of the project. The clubhouse with all the modern amenities, and there is the swimming pools as well. This is the swimming pool, and this is the kids swimming pool. And now let me show you the newly launched towers. These are the newly launched towers. These are the newly launched towers. These towers are closer to this entrance. Okay. So now give me a quick look of the towers. These towers are having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK flat options. And now let me show you the total. These are the amenities you are getting. Almost 23 acres of land area, and as I told you that there is much greeneries inside this complex, and beautified natural water bodies are there, almost 1400 and plus old trees spread over the complex. There's a swimming pool, club, and these newly launched towers have AC receptions and nicely decorated. This is the 76% of open spaces you are getting inside the complex. This is a temple with a green landscape that I was talking about, and almost 4.68 acres of virgin greeneries are there. Outdoor activities, your children will get much more outdoor activities inside the project. This is the swimming pool with a kids pool, and this is the gymnasium. This is the clubhouse. This is the indoor game zone, where there are many kind of indoor games are there. This is the football ground I was talking about, and even there is a full size of indoor badminton court is also there. This is the community hall external view with this lawn, and this is the community hall banquet. And these are the natural water bodies you are getting inside the project. This is the water body I was talking about with a fishing deck. This is a senior citizen sit out zone. This is a lily pond and many more. As this is a much big project, so you will get so many activities to do inside your project. And these are the newly launched project that I was talking about. This is the newly launched project, newly launched towers. And this is the whole project Godrej Prakriti on BT Road.